Ready to share your voice with millions? Here's your definitive guide to publishing on Medium. Once you've got your brilliant article ready, the first step is to hit that Write button, usually found in the top right corner of your Medium homepage. This will take you to the Medium editor now. Let's create a compelling title that grabs attention. Type your title right here. Below your title, you'll see a space for a subtitle. Use this to provide a brief, enticing summary of your story. Now, for the body of your story, click anywhere in this main writing area to start typing to enhance your content. Click the plus sign that appears to the left of your text. This unlocks a menu of formatting and media options. Want to add a visual? Select Image. You can upload from your computer or paste a URL. Images break up text and make your story more engaging. You can also stylize your text, highlight any word or phrase, and a small toolbar will pop up. Use this to make text bold, italic, or even create links. Once your content is polished, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Add Tags section. Choose up to 5 relevant tags to help readers discover your work. Think about keywords people would search for to find your topic. With your tags in place, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button. You'll be presented with a final review screen. Here, you can choose Add to Publication if you want to submit your story to a curated publication on Medium, or you can publish it directly from your profile. You can also schedule your post for a future date and time. Confirm your choices and voil a tilde. Your story is now live and ready to be shared with the Medium community. Congratulations, you've published.